there are several benefits of having a bedroom. Once you have it, your bedroom should be tidy and well kept. Think making your bed every day is pointless? We've all been there. You wake up, roll out of bed, start rushing to leave the house and decide to skip making the bed. Making the bed is one chore we all try and avoid. But the truth is, dedicating the time to ensuring the bed is made has many benefits. Making the bed is a small task that can make a big impact. While we talk about some of the benefits of a well-kept bedroom, have a look at our today's collection. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern bedroom decor ideas as part of your interior decorating ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Now let's get back to our talk of the benefits of a well-kept bedroom. The first obvious benefit is that it makes your room feel clean. Want to achieve that hotel feeling at home? Have a perfectly made bed. No matter how tidy your bedroom is, if your bed hasn't been made, it will look messy. Your bedroom is a sanctuary, so you deserve to come home to a well-made bed. Making your bed every morning will instantly make your room look clean and decluttered. Just like a hotel, a well-kept bedroom helps you sleep better. We're all aware of the importance of overcoming sleep problems. But what does making the bed have anything to do with this? According to research and a survey commissioned by the National Sleep Foundation, those who make their bed tend to sleep better and for longer. This is because the clean feeling of crisp, fresh sheets helps encourage slumber. After a stressful, tiring day at work, all you want to do is dive right into bed. But coming home to a messy bed will only add on to your stress. Dedicating 2 minutes every morning to smoothing out your duvet cover and layering the pillows will ensure you come home to an inviting bed. Lying on a well-made bed is a great way to unwind before sleep. There's no feeling like instant relaxation. Start the day as you mean to go on. When you start the day by making your bed, you instantly feel like you have accomplished one of your tasks for the day. It's irrelevant how small the task is, this feeling of accomplishment makes you feel organized and instantly motivated. Beginning your morning productively should see you completing other tasks you set out over the rest of the day. Making your bed every morning mentally disciplines you and helps you to develop good habits. Once you master taking 3 minutes out of your morning routine to make your bed, you will appreciate how good it makes you feel. This will encourage you to do small tasks that you would otherwise normally avoid, for example cleaning the kitchen and doing laundry. It can be difficult to get motivated, so these little tasks can make a big difference to your productivity. As surprising as this may seem, making the bed every morning can help with your allergies. When you leave your sheets untouched and messy for the whole day, dust, pet hair and allergens settle in. For those who suffer from allergies, this doesn't make for a great night's sleep when you get back in these sheets later on. Therefore, making your bed in the morning protects your sheets from hair and dust mites settling into them. It's very common to skip making your bed in the mornings because you're in a rush. But when you have a visitor unexpectedly, it can be very embarrassing for you to watch them see your messy bedroom. Committing 3 minutes every morning to make your bed can avoid a lot of awkwardness with your guests. Leaving your bed made every morning will increase the wrinkles in your linens that are hard to iron out. If you smooth out the wrinkles in your sheets, duvet covers and plump your pillows every morning, you can keep them looking new for longer. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked collection of modern bedroom decor ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.